Hello everyone, this is Scrappy Pappy, and today we're going to be breaking down the T&P valve. So the T&P valve, if you sell it out just like this in its complete assembly, it's going to be just dirty brass. Well, we're going to break it down so we get our best money. So first, we have the three components. There is the brass housing, which is our best money. Then we have the temperature sensor right here, and the temperature sensor is actually copper recovery. It's got iron and copper. Then we have the spring pressure valve, and that's just steel. We'll put that in the cheap bin. So first I break off the tag if it's there. I grab an old screwdriver, just a big, nice big one, or you can use a chisel, and I have a big 18-ounce hammer, and I just pound against it and pop the pressure spring out. It's got a little bit of brass on it, but it's not worth popping that part off. That goes into the steel. Then after that, I pop out the temperature sensor, and that's the copper recovery. And then I have the housing, which is 100% brass. Good money there. Sometimes they're not as easy to pop out like that as this one here that I'm working on. This one here, it took some time. The brass was probably actually kind of old, so it or a thin wall, and so as I'm breaking away with the screwdriver, the brass is just kind of falling apart. But the main part is, the important part is to get that steel out, and so I just kept working on it. And sometimes you'll get a few of these like this, but it's worth the time, I think, to get that steel out and sell off the brass in its clean component. You get your best money. So there you have it. This is the T&P valve breakdown. Pretty simple. Just the best thing is get a vise and a good old dirty old screwdriver like this one and a hammer. And as usual, thank you, and please subscribe, like, and share.